Hello there and welcome into this side hustle in which you're going to learn how you can sell t-shirt designs, but you can create these t-shirt designs using AI and sell them across all major platforms like Etsy, Creative Fabrica, or in your own store to make some money online. So here we have some example t-shirts that you can look at. So this is the design designed by Leonardo, and this is how it would look like on a real person. This is the design retro vibes, and you can see how it would look like on a person. We have a funny and whimsical cat here, and this is what it would look like in real life. And I can show you some videos as well. Here we have a mock-up of this particular character wearing a pretty good t-shirt design generated using AI. And this is a video of a t-shirt design Mona Lisa style. Let's go ahead and watch it. All of that was actually generated via AI, and for that I would like you to go to Leonardo AI, and let's get started. So first off here, the image that we want to generate is a 750 by 1200. I can actually specify it here. I'm going to stick to Leonardo Kino XL, and here I'm going to go for, in terms of the width, I'm going to go for 750. The height, I'm going to go for 1200. And let's have some fun. Let's generate an image of the Mona Lisa, though you cannot do this because it's copyright infringing, but you can do some other type stuff, right? So the Mona Lisa is just an example here. Right, so Mona Lisa smoking a cigar and wearing glasses. So if I actually go ahead and generate this picture, it's going to go ahead and generate some pictures for me that I can utilize. In the meantime, I'd like you to go to this platform called placeit.net, which you can actually take your design and place it on top of a model to see how that's going to look like. Here, I have chosen this model. Now, when it comes to the picture, I need to upload a picture which is 750 by 1200 pixels. And in order to format my picture into that particular size, you need to come to this platform, which is canva.com, and make sure that you click here on Create a Design, Custom Size, and size your design according to that. So it's 750 by 1200. Then it will be time to go back into Leonardo and to find the images or how your images are going to turn out to be. I can see I've already had some images here. They don't look like the Mona Lisa, but probably look like the Mona Lisa, how she would look like in real life. But I don't want that. I want a different type of Mona Lisa, so I added Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa smoking a cigar. Now, normally the picture should be like this, but this one, if you want this result, you should use Midjourney. But in here, we're actually using Leonardo, so we'll just wait a second. Now, I have to say that these ones are not too bad, right? So I'm actually going to go ahead and take one of them, and let's use it for our image. So I'm going to take this one here. I'm going to download it. And first of all, go back into Canva so that you can format your image. So first thing is first is drag the image of the Mona Lisa inside of the Canva project. And here inside of Canva, we have what we call frames. So frames are really important so that you can actually make sure that your design looks stylish. If you search for frame inside of Canva, you'll have access to a lot. You can click See All. That will reveal a lot of frames that you can select from. Select the one that you like. Now, to be completely honest with you, I'm going to go with something girly here because this is for girls. So I'm going to click on the heart and drag the Mona Lisa inside of this heart. And as you might see here, this looks pretty good. But I think we could tweak it so I can drag and drop the face of the Mona Lisa just a slight bit here. And I can see that it's pretty good, but maybe I just need to change this heart because I need to find something else where the entire design can appear. Because as you might see, a heart is good, except for it doesn't show the entirety of the design. So I think I'm going to go for something else for the moment. Right, so we have a bunch of designs. I think I maybe go with this one right here. So I'm going to click, place my design in there. But first off, let me detach it from the previous one, drag it inside of the new one. And you can see that looks fabulous now. And so I'm going to take this, make sure that I make it a little bit bigger. And then we have our design that you can name however you want. And here I can go and download this. I need to make sure I download this one with a transparent background. Transparent background is necessary. If you don't have access to Canva Pro, you'll not be able to do this. But you can try using remove.bg, which is a software that would enable you to do this. Then you can come right here into Leonardo, into Placeit. You can place your design to see how this is going to look like on a real model. And you can download this for purposes of marketing. So there we have the design. I don't need to crop it or anything. It's particularly in the exact same size that I require. So I'm just going to go ahead over here and click on the crop button. And here we go. We have a design. So this is it. This is it for this particular video right here. I hope that you've enjoyed it, and we'll see you in our next work. Make sure you go ahead and use this method to hustle your way into earning some decent money online. Passive Income Gen Z wishing you the best and signing out.